Yo, what's up guys? Now welcome to another new video. So very fast for this video I will show now how to create this reflection with it for this picture. Okay, zoom out and see the reflection. This reflection here for this picture here. I will show now how to run am here for Photoshop. So I show now the before. You see the before of the picture, like how I take shoot am. We do this picture now like this. I don't do small thing for capture one, but see the way the whole setting take be. So initially from my shoot, from when I dey shoot am, I don't really know wetin I want get. I been dey use two lights and I been want make reflection dey for her face for here, and I been still want make the pose which she look ground small. Now wetin make me put this mirror for here. Now if you look, because of the effect of the mirror wey I put, you see the light wey bounce for her face. So automatically this light wey dey up here, now dey bounce for this mirror and it reflects for her face. Sure, now understand. So very fast I go show you how to create this reflection. So I show you see the before image and see the after. So very fast, make her off this one. Don't mind me, from here you know say I do something with the hair, but all these ones I'll show now for another video. So I will create new layer so that I'll show now. It is very easy to create. I will try and make the video as short as possible. So I'll double this layer. As I double this layer, I just can do Ctrl T for my keyboard. Do Ctrl T. Then I go right click. If I right click, I go do flip vertically. See how you don't flip am. So now from here I go reduce the opacity so that I fit see the image you dey fall down. You understand? So I go bring am. I'll bring am down. Make sure say I align am how I take want. Now it is easier because I dey use white background. So you know hard. I don't see the thing don't align abi. So next thing I go do. So now I think say if you look am for down, you go see say you don't align. Abi if I reduce the opacity, you go see say you don't align. You see am back. So what I go do next? I go create mask. I don't create my mask. Then I will go my brush tool. I'll go my brush tool. I'll pick my brush. Now I'll pick my black brush. I'll pick my black brush. Make up my flow for. I want the hair for about, and so I put my flow for 50. So now I go start to the brush. You see all this place with the background, with this background there. All this place with this background there. I'll start to the brush am. I'll go brush am very gently. See am back. Since I dey clean am. The part where I don't want. I dey clean am. I will clean am. I will be very careful. So I dey make this one a bit fast. But if you want to do am, go make sure say you dey careful as you dey clean am. So I will just clean am. Try my possible best clean am. And you no need to be perfect like that. Or you no need to be perfect, but just take your time do am. Understand? So I will just clean am to where I want me the thing no dey again. So you dey see, I dey try clean am. You no go too dey perfect, but as I talk, if you do your own, take your time. Take your time do am. Anything we suppose fix am. Understand? So now at least I don't get am abi. I don't get the reflection. So now so what I go do? I go drop the opacity. So that you see am. Then I'll go. Okay, before then, no carry the opacity go 100. Then I will go my filter. I'll go my blur. I'll go motion blur. I go set my angle for 90. I'll increase the distance of the blur. You see am back. So I just like the effects we just give. I like the effects we the thing give for the reflection. So make it not too much. So make I just put that for 50. And 50, I think I'll go increase that small. We'll say 65. What's that 65 look like? This one no sad. So if you just do unto your taste, how you take one make it just look like, if you just run am like that. So I'll just click OK. Click OK. I go wait for am make it load. Then I will come here, I will reduce the opacity. She already see am. So now I don't get reflection. So I feel just reduce the opacity to how I take one make it look like. So anyhow we just want make it be, depending on your picture what you do. So but for this one I will leave on like this. She understand. She say as we don't take get one count, perfect reflection with that blurriness. You just get that distortion. She get. So if you just don't have for any of a picture, so with the mirror I put for here, with the reflex for her face and the whole blur I put, you just get this feel where you just give the picture. So if you look this one, see the one I will just do now, then see the one I do before. If you look at it, you can see I make some other little adjustments, make I carry this one go up. If you look at where you can see I see the one I will just do now and see the one I've been do. Sure you get. So if you just make your own little adjustment, how you take one make it be like this one, you go say I touch other part of the image. So any other thing we take one, we know say I do for this picture, we go and make I show you. Just drop out for comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe and also share this video.